Introducing the hottest looking engine dress-up, Factory Performance's Black Crinkle Engine Dress-Up Kit. Featuring black crinkle valve covers with striking Chevrolet emblems in classic Chevrolet red. Designed for a standout look, the kit includes a pair of tall baffled valve covers, a 14-inch classic air cleaner, a timing chain cover, 8 valve cover wing nuts, 8 valve cover hold-down clamps, and a matching push-in valve cover breather cap. Each component is meticulously crafted for a perfect fit and easy installation, transforming your engine bay with a rugged, performance-oriented look. The distinctive black crinkle finish not only enhances aesthetics but also provides superior protection against corrosion, ensuring your engine bay stays looking sharp for years. The Factory Performance Black Crinkle Engine Dress-Up Kit, where style meets durability.